well in that. What to do is do it together. Need this kind of service. Real adjunct to, in our industry today, businesses, ancillary business, food stores, and gasoline. Well, the most basic type, always known about, and that's the repair. The repair business is falling. Ourselves falling into repairs that really shouldn't have been doing. Customer complaints. The guy that was doing the repairs identified as a room, and when he went forward to meet the customer all over their cars, that's gone. Never to come back. About this partnership is where a man really has a couple of profit centers that he's gasoline center. The other is the one another perfectly. Gasoline is the thing that brings the if he can then cap the back room with this very professional.
Profit is for you. Okay.
Extremely competitive than it was some years ago, especially in the time that we had the control. What's happening is that we're finding out to be in a position. Now, may and many result in not being able to make out of that station. So you have the opportunity alongside with your direct gas. Two of those complement one another.